Come on. Alright, you gonna go for that run? Or not? Oi! You're gonna get to those flags! Get to those flags! God, they're fucking pinning us down. Hey, Bray, can you cover me? I'm gonna run. Alright. Oh, fuck. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go, go! Oh. Ah, didn't break. Okay. Nathan! Go for that other barricade! Righto, hang on, I'll cover you. 3, 2, 1, go! Holy shit, look at the wind taking them! Hey, there's a guy in the wood. He's under the tyres, man. I need you to cover him. Run out of time, guys. You're gonna go for the run. Move up, move up. Hey, he's got me completely covered. I need you to bash him. One minute! Guys, move up, move up! Blake! Go for that piece of cover! Perfect time. Reloading! Come on, come on. Cover! I got it! I'm not hit! Give me a check, man. This is old.